जुड़े रहें NN वार्ता के साथ।
40,000 kgs of areca nuts worth rupees 1.56 crores seized in Mizoram. Mizoram Youth Commission inks pacts with Music Connect Asia to provide exposure for Mizo musicians. Senior Arunachal Pradesh NPP leader Gicho Kabak is no more. 40,000 kgs of areca nuts worth rupees 1.56 crores seized in Mizoram, along with Myanmar border. Assam Rifles and Customs departments have recovered around 40,000 kgs of areca nuts worth rupees 1.56 crores during a joint operations of Khwangpoha village in Champhai district near Myanmar border on Friday. Assam Rifles said in a statement. The operations was carried out based on specific information. It said the Customs Department seized the illegal trade items for further legal proceedings. Ongoing smuggling of areca nuts is a major cause of concern for the state of Mizoram, especially along with the India-Myanmar border. Assam Rifles, rightly christened as the Sentinels of Northeast, have continued their efforts against the smuggling activities in Mizoram. News Desk report. The Memorandum of Understanding aims to promote music as a profession for young talents in Mizoram. Mizoram Youth Commission on Thursday signed a Memorandum of Understanding with Music Connect Asia and Center for Creative Excellence to provide exposure for Mizoram singers and musicians. The Memorandum of Understanding aims to promote music as a profession for young talents in Mizoram. An official statement said the agreement was signed between MYS Chairman and MLA Dr. Vanlal Thanpuya, Music Connect Asia Acting President Kaushik Datta, and Bollywood producer Subho Sekhar and his wife Sucheta on behalf of the Center for Creative Excellence in Aizawl. Music Connect Asia is a forum to promote music professionals and music of Asian countries, while the Center for Creative Excellence CEE, set up in 2013 by Subho Sekhar and his wife Sucheta, aims to educate, groom to give a platform to young artists hailing from rural Northeast for expressing themselves freely on global stage. While Subho is a national award-winning Bollywood producer, his wife Sucheta, who hailed from Assam, is a vocal instructor. The couple frequently travel to the Northeast to hunt talents, the statement said. With over 51 countries and several world-class festivals under its umbrella, Music Connect Asia will provide platform for local musicians and singers from Mizoram. MYC Chairman Dr. Vanlal Thanpuya said, "There is no dearth of talents in the Northeast, be it sports, acting, academics or music. It provides the right platform. Youngsters from Northeast India can excel in every field at national and even international level." Dr. Vanlal Thanpuya said MYC is currently hosting a TV reality show titled MYC Per Khwang, a statewide singing competition. News Desk. Senior Arunachal Pradesh NPP leader Gicho Kabak is no more. Gicho Kabak, a former president of Arunachal Pradesh NPP, passed away on Friday morning. Kabak was instrumental in the growth of the NPP in Arunachal Pradesh. He was 57 years old at the time of his demise. Top politicians from the Northeast have expressed grief at the sudden demise of Gicho Kabak. News Desk report. Thanks for watching NN Varta Northeast.